Hello, I'm British Airways a 380. Today we are flying a British Airways a 320 from Sweden to London Heathrow. Then tomorrow from London Gatwick to Port of Spain. Enjoy the video. Wow, very nice sky. What on earth? A twin. I did not ask for this, but at least I hope he's friendly. Cameraman, help me.
Where am I? WHY am I here? How did I get here?
Calm down. I'm British Airways, a 380, and who are you?
I'm also a British Airways A380.
Well, how about we say I'm older British Airways a 380, and you're newer British Airways a 380.
Sound good to me. Want to be friends?
Sure. So did you get sleep? Newer British Airways.
Yeah, older British Airways, but not a lot. Well, looks like we have a third friend, and he does look. Nice older bro.
And also looks kind... Wait, he's not even an Airbus?
Yes, finally, not AA380.
What do you mean newer, bro? You were the second a 380.
Oh,
I do wonder what Boeing he is.
me too.
Now, cameraman, do your job and open his box.
Why am I stew? Well, I'm free. Wait, who are you people?
We are the British Airways A380 twins. Call me newer bro and call him older bro.
All right, and I'm British Airways 787.